Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by reading axes and units deliberately. This avoids early mistakes. First, confirm the velocity units and the time units, then mark the origin and tick spacing. Next, find intercepts and labeled points so you know what values correspond to what times. Finally, sketch a quick mental map of flat segments versus slopes to decide if regions represent constant velocity or acceleration. Once done, you are ready to calculate areas for displacement. You now partition the curve into basic geometric shapes so calculations stay straightforward. For each time interval, make sure to compute the area under the velocity curve. Rectangles and trapezoids give direct displacement. Triangles use 1/2 times base times height. For sloped segments, compute slope as delta over delta to check sign and direction. This also explains why area can be negative. Once you sum each segment's signed areas, you approach the total displacement. You finish by summing all signed areas to get the net displacement, remembering negative areas mean motion opposite the positive direction. Make sure units are consistent so the result is in meters. If not, convert before summing. As a quick verification, compute average velocity times total time and compare to your sum. Large discrepancies indicate a missed shape or sign error. If numbers still mismatch, recheck each interval's base and height. This single check fixes most mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.